Hello students, now in this session I will explain question number 7 and 8 of exercise 11.2. Now let me read out question number 7. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles, which are rhombus shape, and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter in length. And finally they have asked, find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. Now let us just imagine that this is a tile, which is in the shape of a rhombus. So we know that in rhombus all the sides are equal, and these are the two diagonals. So I have taken this diagonal as 45 centimeter and the horizontal diagonal as 30 centimeter. So altogether how many tiles are there? That is 3000 tiles. And even it is given in the question, the cost of 1 meter square equals to rupees 4. Fine. So what is the first thing that you have to do with this question number 7? That is, we have to get the area of each tiles. As since the shape of a quadrilateral is in the shape of rhombus, so we have to find the area of a rhombus. That is, area of each tiles would be equals to area of rhombus. Now we'll write the formula for rhombus, that is 1/2 into d1 into d2. So we'll consider this as d1 and this as d2. You can consider this part also, that is 30 as d2 and this as d1 also, no problem with that. So half into, in place of d1 we'll put 45 centimeter, in place of d2 we'll put 30 centimeter. So if you carefully observe that 30 can be reduced by 2, so we'll reduce it and we'll get the answer as 15. So 45 into 15, the product of 45 into 15 will give you 675 centimeter square. So this is the area of each tile. Students, now as you know that how many tiles were there? There were 3000 tiles. So we have to get the area of 3000 such tiles. So that would be equals to area of each tile into 3000. So the final will get the answer as 675 into 3000. So if you multiply this, you will get the answer as 2025000 centimeter square. Now here you have to do one very important thing. Now you have to convert this centimeter square into the meter square form. Now why we are converting centimeter square to meter square form? Now you see the cost of 1 meter square is given. It is not given the cost of 1 centimeter square is rupees 4, but instead it is given cost of 1 meter square equals to rupees 4. So we have to change, we have to get the area, we have to convert the area into the meter square form. So we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter square would be equals to 100 into 100 centimeter square. So that will give you 10,000 centimeter square. To convert this centimeter square form to a meter square form, you have to divide this whole number by 10,000. So when you reduce it, you will finally get the answer as 202.5 meter square. So this is the area of 3000 tiles. Now finally we'll get the cost. Now since the cost of 1 meter square is rupees 4, hence the cost of 202.5 meter square would be equals to 4 into 202.5, and the final product you will get as 810. That is, the final cost that a person has to give is 810 to polish this 3000 tiles. So this is the solution of sum number 7. So let's move on to sum number 8. Yes, now I will explain question number 8. Now in question number 8 you will find one figure is there given in the book. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of the field is 10500 meter square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. Now this is a field that we are talking about. Now towards either side of the field we have a road, and on the other side we have a river. Fine. So it is given in the question that a side along the river, that is this side, the side along the river is parallel to twice the side along the road. That means this side is twice the length of this side. So we'll consider this side as x, so automatically this side would be 2x. Okay, so this is a relation given between these two parallel sides, and even they have given the distance between these two parallel sides, that is 100 meter. They are asking you to find what is the length of the side along the river, that is you have to find the length of this side, that is 2x. Now to find, we have to find the parallel sides, the measurements of the parallel sides we have to get. Until and unless you don't get the value of x, you won't be able to find the value of this side. Okay, now as this figure represents a trapezium, so the area of trapezium field is given 10500. It is already given in the question, so we'll compare the value 10500 with the formula. Fine, that is half into a plus b into height, that would be equals to 10500 meter square. Now according to the question, both the parallel sides are not given, so we have to let the sides, that is if you let this side as x, then other side is 2x. So this is what I have written. I have taken this side as a, see I have already mentioned a, and this side as b. Okay, so the value of a is x, so I have written x, and value of b is 2x. So finally it's looking like half into, inside the bracket, x plus 2x into 100 equals to 10500 meter square. Now the first thing that we'll do is we'll solve the bracket, that is x plus 2x is 3x, and we'll reduce this 100 with 2. Okay, that is 100 divided by 2 will give you 50. Okay, now if you multiply this 3x with 50, you will get 150x, that is equals to 10500. Okay, now x, finally you have to transpose this 150 towards the right hand side, so x would be equals to 10500 divided by 150. After reducing, you will get the value of x as 70 meter. So the parallel side along the road is 70 meter, that is this side is 70 meter. Obviously the side which is along the river, that would be a double of the side along the road. So the parallel side along the river would be 2x, that is 2 into 70, that will give you 140. Okay students, so this is the solution of sum number 8. Thank you so much, stay blessed, and God bless you all.